Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Typeform for customer feedback and sales step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Typeform website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by selecting the sign up option. Once logged in, click on the Create Typeform button on your dashboard. Choose a template that suits your customer feedback needs or start from scratch. If starting from scratch, select Start from Scratch to open the editor. In the editor, first, name your Typeform to easily identify it later. Next, add your first question by clicking the Add Your First Question field. Select the type of question you want to use, such as multiple choice, open-ended, or rating scale. For customer feedback, consider using open-ended questions to gather detailed responses. Type your question into the designated field and customize the possible answers if needed. To add more questions, click the plus icon and repeat the process for each aspect of feedback you want to gather. Make sure to incorporate a mix of question types to keep the survey engaging. Once your questions are set, customize the design by clicking on the Design tab. Choose colors, fonts, and themes that reflect your brand identity for a cohesive look. After finalizing the design, preview your Typeform by clicking the Preview button. Test the flow of the questions and ensure they capture the feedback you need. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your Typeform live. Now, share your Typeform with customers by copying the link provided. You can also integrate it into your website or share it via email for larger reach. After collecting responses, return to your Typeform account and navigate to the Responses tab. Here, you can analyze the feedback through various metrics and visualizations. Use the insights gathered to inform your sales strategy and enhance customer satisfaction. Consider following up with customers based on their feedback to foster engagement. Regularly review the feedback to adapt your offerings and improve overall sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.